Gonk nail tutorial. This was so much fun. Honestly, I really enjoyed doing this. So you're going to start with the bead. I'm using one of my 3D Precise brush from CJP, and I'm just doing it almost like you do the petals of the flower. So very small, very dry bead of the white, and then drag it down into points using the tip of your brush. So once you've done that, you're going to pick up a relatively small to medium sized bead for the nose and just gently poke at that with the tip of your brush until it's in the shape that you want it and let it dry. It's the same kind of process for the hat. So with the first layer, I used 3 layers. So the first layer I used red, then I used green. Again, I'm just very gently touching that with the tip of my brush. I'm not poking it or prodding it, just really gentle. Then you're going to do a little bobble on the hat and just put some little flecks in it with your brush to give it a bit of texture, and you're done. I hope that helps. Any questions, let me know.